Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing about English grammar, that is articles and their omission. We must know exactly what are the articles, that is a, an and the. So the omissions, the place where you should not use the articles, that is a, an and the. A and an both are indefinite articles and the is the definite article. So let us see exactly where we can omit a and the articles. She is excellent. It is something like whenever you want to praise someone, she is excellent. No noun after excellent, so it required a noun in absence of which we cannot use any article. There are few situations where you can directly omit article. Here as you can say, she is excellent has been given but not student. As you can see it down below, if the she is an excellent student, it is okay, but if you are praising someone, she is excellent, so that in that case that an is omitted. So you have to go through the situation or the sentence whatever had been given. So here she is an excellent student is okay, but in the case of she is excellent, it is also okay, but you can't use that and in that. As you can see to the right of this, she is excellent in her disguise but so delicate behind her eyes. So this is one thing phrase. As you can see how exactly the proverb has been given, so you directly go through the picture. Next we have, in some phrases a or an are not used. We should know what exactly words and phrases are. To lose heart, to set foot, to give ear, these are all few phrases you have to remember for examinations. As you can see, do not lose heart, so do not break your heart like this. So in this case, a or an should not be used in these sentences. To lose a heart, don't use that. To set a foot, no, you can only use to set foot, to give ear. So all these whatever the phrasal verbs, hand in hand, set on fire, by car or by bus, at last, you can't use at the last, no. These are all phrases where you can directly omit articles. By mistake, in danger, to take heart, at hand, give battle, by day, underground. These are all few things which are to be remembered where you should not use any kind of articles. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find 800 plus question papers for various competitive examinations. Next we have not to be used with uncountable nouns. Please remember guys, wherever there is uncountable nouns should not be use that articles, as it is given countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Please have a look by pausing your video because these are all very important. Advice, accommodation, baggage, luggage, news, permission, progress, scenery, weather, traffic, knowledge, music, wine, equipment, information, poetry, furniture, hair, business, mischief. These are all uncountable nouns. In the case of countable nouns, you can directly see apples, oranges, burgers. These are all countable. In the case of soup, tea, cottage cheese, these are all whatever the pictures have been given, you can directly go through them and they are all uncountable nouns. So please remember them. So where you cannot use the articles. Not to be used before the names of a person or place, nouns. There is Ram was an obedient son. Here the Ram as a common and proper noun. Here Ram is a proper noun, where the proper noun prior to the proper noun there is no article was present. In sentences starting with what kind of, what sort of, what type of and what variety of. So in these situations also, what sort of a man, no, you cannot use that. What sort of a man, what kind of a man, what kind of man he is, so you can't use a in that case. So article omission is mandatory, you have to focus on it, how exactly it has to be used. So here not to be used before the names of a person or a place or nouns, that is Ram was an obedient, it was a proper noun, so before Ram a Ram was cannot be used, it is only Ram was an obedient son is right thing. So please go through whatever has been given in the slides. Next we have should not be used in front of the name of the states. As you can see to the right exactly, if we say which is the largest state in the area wise, we can directly write whatever the Rajasthan, Gujarat, followed by Andhra Pradesh. These are all various things you have to remember. So here Punjab and Haryana, these are all few things which are to be remembered. So should not be used in front of the name of the states, that is Punjab, Haryana. Before the languages cannot be used articles, the English, the Urdu, no. It is only English and Urdu, the languages. Though indicating whole class, common noun used in its widest sense. So here the common noun is man, which is used in the whole class. That is, man is mortal. There is no the man is mortal. So it is a proverb saying man is mortal, woman is immortal. So do not use with months, days. He rests on Sundays, which is very important. So do not use with the months as well as days. So please remember, article should not be used for the months as well as days. I request you guys to check my playlist where you will find various information regarding all the subjects for defense forces and central government jobs. Different topic wise have been given. Please have a look. One of the finest YouTube channel for you guys. Do not with the subjects we should study physics. So before physics we cannot use the article, that is we should study physics is the right one. But there were some situations the physics of Ram are good. Here whatever the physics have been given, the behavior, the dynamics of the personality, whatever the chemistry was happening, the physics of Ram are good is the right in this sense, but we should not use with the physics subject. Name of the roads, we can't use prior the name of the roads. The Grand Trunk Road, negative, it is only Grand Trunk Road, as you can see to the right. Regular meals, he had lunch. Hobbies, she brushed daily. Games, she played tennis. These are all few situations where you cannot use articles. Next we have should not be used before the objects of these words. Prior noun, that is complement, make, elect, select, become, appoint, crown. So whatever the words have been given this type of complement, so she was elected or appointed as chairman. We can't use she was an elected, no, it is she was elected or appointed as chairman. Before the names of the persons are prior pronouns, that is Shakespeare, so we can't use the Shakespeare or something like that. Exceptional cases are to be remembered. Here Shakespeare is a proper noun, so you can't use before the names of prior proper nouns. Metals, we should remember that whatever the ornaments and metals are to be used without any articles. So these are very important, guys. I have compiled from various sources. Please remember them. Abstract nouns as qualities, feelings and states used in general sense. As you can see, honesty is the best policy. Here honesty has been used as the general sense where you can not use articles. Prior collective nouns in general sense, life is complex. You can't use the life is. So we can directly use collective nouns in general sense, that is life is complex, not to be used for the life, love, money, death, pride, God, society, parliament, provide and mankind. These are all which are to be remembered. We can't use in front of these words. We live in society. He has a good mankind. So in front of this, prior to this, we can't use any articles. Please remember them. They are very important for you. And in front of the diseases, whatever the diseases we have, malaria, typhoid, cholera, etc. But there are few diseases, that is the measles, the rickets. They are the important where you have to use the before measles and rickets, but not malaria, typhoid and cholera. So you have to remember whatever the bacterial diseases as well as malarial diseases, whatever there you can't use article. Prior measles as well as rickets you can use as the. Prior modes of travel, by a walk cannot be used, by a road cannot be used, by walk, by road has to be used. So whatever the mode of travel where you cannot use the articles, please remember, guys, they are very important. Names of relations, the brother has gone, no, brother has gone is correct answer. So these are all few sentences where you have to remember where the articles are not to be used. I request you guys to call me on 7666 730 252 if you want a PDF of GK and GS. that is 2100. So if you are interested, you can call me. It's a free of cost. You can even share it to your friends regarding this YouTube channel. That is the only thing we expect from you. Have a good day, have a great life, rock in your life.